Alright, part 6 for the engine placement. So everything is ready to go in. We're going to plop it in there, and what's going to be after that is just what's going to be going on forward with it. So it's already jacked up right now. We just got to work it in there, obviously, and get it in there. So.
Alright, let me start pushing it in. Give me a second. Get this harness out of the way.
Oh, should I lower it actually?
Yeah, go very slow.
Huh?
Actually, no, you're good like that, how it is.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah. How does it look on this side, actually?
Which side? Which side?
On this side. Passenger side.
It looks like it needs to come over to the left.
Like this?
Yeah, like...
Or like that way?
Like, what do you mean by when it looks good? Like...
Yeah, like, is it gonna clear if we push it in straight?
Yeah, on this room, on this side, we're fine. We just gotta watch out for that rubber AC line.
Okay.
We're fine on this side.
Okay. Start pushing it in slightly.
Alright. Stop in there.
I'm just making sure that it's good. I'm not gonna get caught right here or anything. Yeah, go. Oh, you're good. You can try to like
Oh, it's not
hold
there?
the hands up a bit.
You already tightened the... Oh no, you got the other end. No, it's hitting the downpipe.
The downpipe move?
Yeah.
Put your hand.
That's what it's hitting. It's just the downpipe.
Something
over here.
Oh, okay. Give me a sec.
It's hitting the control arm.
Turn it over. Let's see if I can.
Oh, it's hitting the motor mount in the back.
Again? That fucking bottom one?
Yeah, should I just take it out?
Yeah, try to take it out if you can.
I want to adjust this. What? Here.
Let's go in, like inwards.
Because I think you went too far up or too down. No, I think that was good.
Let me tighten these real quick. Before it comes down.
Good enough. You see the for this side right here.
Is it pretty straight on there?
Yeah, it just needs to come down. Was this it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the new motor's in, but we need to do everything else, like all the small details. And then I need to get a gasket for the oil pump thing right there. All right, day 2 for part 6. Just gonna go over some things what we did. Obviously, we put the new motor in. Probably just gonna like speed that up in the video. And then after that, we put the alternator on, put the AC belt on there and the AC thing back on there. I couldn't put the oil thing on. I keep on everything thing. The oil filter housing right here because I didn't have the gasket. But I just went and got a brand new gasket right now, so I'll be able to put that on. And then I'm waiting on a starter I'm gonna pick up tomorrow to go right here, obviously. Symposer, just gonna wait till later. Everything else with the engine harness is plugged in. Basically, it was just like, once you put this in place, what I first did, I just brought it up from there, plugged in all the cylinders, and everything kind of just fell in place. You know, it only gets kind of confusing when you don't know where these go, but you can obviously just look it up or remember, you know, oh, like this one goes here, that one goes there. already got the transmission hooked up. All the coolant lines are on. Waiting for a coolant line right here actually that fucking broke inside of the plastic. It's gonna go there, it wraps around, and it goes here. Boost control, everything's plugged in here. The cat is already plugged in, but I mean the O2 sensors. Just waiting to put it on. I haven't had the time. Over here, intake's not on because just waiting till I get the front stuff, the front on, and then I'll focus on getting that. But for today, literally, I think I'm just gonna throw this bad boy on, plug it in, and everything else behind here is plugged in. I got the throttle body, the NOx sensors over here. This is just waiting for the starter. Basically, these grounds are in that go here, go all the way to the transmission. That's how they get grounded. Yeah, and then that's gonna conclude part 6. Part 7 is gonna be when I get the starter on, and I'm gonna start putting all this stuff on right here, and then shit, maybe after that, finish it up, wrap it up, and get it back on the road. So yeah, I put the oil filter housing on, and then I put the lines in, and then I put that on its hanging. I need to bolt it on and everything like that. But for part 6 is it. Stay tuned for part 7 and getting all this on.